Hey, aloha. Welcome to the Big Island. Got the LaRue flip-to-side mount installed on my Tavor. Basically, it's made in America, flips to side. Primary arms, 3x magnifier, LaRue flip-to-side mount. MSC, AQC, 1C red dot, Star Defense Systems. And it's designed by a IDF colonel. Marksman, taught the marksmanship school for 20 years. Anyway, we're going to just blast some stuff and have some fun. And it's really nice to have the LaRue flip-to-side mount go exactly to the middle. Hey, let's throw in the laser there for good fun. That's what I call Gunsmoke, motherfuckers. Can't let a trip to the range go without firing off a few rounds for the AK. Just for the hell of it. No particular reason. Got used to the Tavor. That's what I'm talking about. Shoot something way the fuck down range. Motherfucking ace. Just can't beat that shit. Hey guys, thought I'd show you what this fucked up road is like up to the range here. Got it on all auto 4-wheel drive here. If it needs it, kicks in what it needs. Anyway, this road is kind of messed up. This huge fucking pothole up here where you get to the street. It's like I don't know why nobody ever fixes this shit, but it's like, there it is. Look at that mother sucker. You can see it through the vent reflection. Let's see. Maybe you'll get it. That's a sucker motherfucker of a road pothole. You think they'd fill this motherfucking shit in? Whoa! It's like a Disney ride or something. Yeah, if you don't want to do this in some thing with cheap economy car with no clearance at all, and don't bother getting your wheels aligned because this road will just fuck it up. A lot of roads like this all over. Anyway, there's the main highway. Extra bonus footage. Hawaii volcano squad out. Jesus, what the fuck was that?